Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to make one of my favorite Sichuan dishes, Sichuan chicken, or 辣子鸡 in Chinese, but with an air fryer. I have shared a traditional Sichuan chicken recipe before. Click the link if you want to check that out. In that recipe, we have to deep fry the chicken twice in a lot of oil. Today, instead of deep frying the chicken, we're going to air fry it. You'll save a lot of time and a lot of oil this way. The chicken will turn out much more healthier as well. Now let's get started. Start by chopping the chicken thighs into pieces. I like to remove the skin and fat as well. For this recipe, I'm using 2 chicken thighs, and you can use chicken legs too. Try to keep the chicken pieces a little bigger because the air fryer tends to dry it out a little more. I don't recommend using chicken breast as it can get too dry and not as tender. Next, we're going to marinate the chopped chicken thighs with some soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, some white pepper powder, salt, and cornstarch. Mix well. Here's something I like to do to keep the chicken tender. Add some oil to the chicken marinade. The oil will help locking in the moisture of the chicken. Mix it up and set aside for 15 minutes. Take out the air fryer basket and spray with cooking oil. Lay the marinated chicken pieces on the basket. Spray some cooking oil on top of the chicken. And now we are ready to air fry. Set the temperature to 375 Fahrenheit and the timer to 15 minutes. The chicken is sizzling and radiating a beautiful aroma. The fan helps distribute the heat evenly around the air fryer basket. When the time is up, use gloves to handle the basket because it's going to be really hot. The chicken is perfectly golden brown and looks super tasty. Just like we deep fried it. Let's prepare the other ingredients for Sichuan chicken. Use a pair of scissors to cut dry chilies into smaller pieces. I like to use Arjintiao chili from Sichuan for the maximum flavor. You can use other dry chilies with a medium heat to cook this dish. You can also remove the seeds to reduce spiciness. And let's prepare some Sichuan peppercorn as well. Chop some ginger, garlic, and green onion. Now with all the ingredients ready, we can start cooking. Add some oil to the pan. Drop in the aromatics. Then the dried chilies and Sichuan peppercorn. Add in the chicken. Season with some Shaoxing wine. And soy sauce. Sprinkle some sugar. Drop in the green onion. Lastly, we'll add a splash of sesame oil to finish it up. Now the Sichuan chicken is done. The chicken pieces are swimming in the red dry chilies and green onion. It looks so appetizing. This dish is perfect for lunch or dinner if you're craving Chinese food. And the spicy and nummy flavor is absolutely satisfying. Let's give it a try. The air-fried chicken tastes just like deep-fried. It's crispy on the outside and super tender on the inside. It is also so much healthier because less oil was used in the process. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want a printable recipe, the link will be down below in the description box. Thank you so much for hanging. I'll see you next time.